Hello, today I'm in Bangkok going to visit one temple. It's quite famous, around around 70 kilometers, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Many local people come to here to visit and pray. Just I am shooting, I'm not praying anything, just one. I came with friends, so let's see. No, this is a famous icon in here in this temple. This is just walk around. Nothing much today is clean, and if you have interest, you can spend time here. That's all, nothing much to say more than this. This New Year evening, so I came to Bangkok near Khao San Road and Wat Arun temple, and this is the river where you can around have enjoy the evening with in around restaurants and many things. Night markets also available here. You can cross the river by this boat. It's quite cheap, like 4.5 baht only. And this is a night market when you cross the river towards Khao San Road near Royal Palace. After this, I'm going to think near some music show is there near. This is the Royal Palace, and opposite of that, this is the New Year celebration happening here. It's nice, well managed. You can say you can have food. I like the vibe here. It's not like other places where you can't go inside or too much crowded. It's quite. You can enjoy music from here, or you want to go, you can. There are much queue in, but it's up to you. You want to see the show from front or from far. I am happy. I don't want to go and stay in queue, so I am listening from far. They decorated also, lot of people, and this is the water Arun just before countdown. Now outside of 7-Eleven, too much crowd because most of the rest bars are full. So many people want to take beer from here or many things, and don't have many 7-Eleven around, just few. So at this time, a lot of people are waiting outside. I'm just standing and looking at what's going on here. Today I walked too much. Since almost afternoon I'm walking here and there. Now countdown starts. I didn't find any space, so this is the only space where I can see. But it's amazing. I didn't expect this much. No one bother here, especially no, like not police is like bothering like other country have issue with, especially near around lot of crowd and hustle bustle. But here is everything is cool and calm, as Thai people always cool. but amazing. I can say if anyone want to see, they can plan to come Bangkok for New Year for sure. If you don't have to, if you don't have any plan to go anywhere else, like better to go beaches. But if you can't go, then Bangkok also a bit nice option. It's well managed for New Year according to. It's a very long show. I don't know how much I can shoot, but I will try to show you a little bit. I thought it might be finishing 1 minute, 2 minutes, but it's going still. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next.